Good morning, folks, and Happy New Year. I don't send these messages often enough, and I feel that I'm not doing justice to myself nor you. So I'm making a commitment today that I'm going to share a video every single day with all of you. Now, sometimes you may just get a have an amazing day video. Sometimes it might be useful information. Sometimes it's something that I'm going to be vulnerable about or something else. But the point is, I'm going to share every single day, and that's the commitment I'm making to all of you. And I want you to hold me accountable. So if I don't share something, knock knock. So now the question is, and let's turn this around. What commitment can you make today? It might not have to be for the whole year. It could just be for today. It could be for the week, for the month, or any time span that you want. But what commitment can you make, share with someone else, have them hold you accountable, and do it? Until then, see you tomorrow.